Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about YouTube, and more specifically, I'm going to show you an example of how you can make money on YouTube in Spanish. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video, but I'm going to show you something interesting. As you know, I like to review other channels and see how they're making money. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave more information there. However, in one of the Facebook groups that I'm a part of, this person was trying to sell their YouTube channel in Spanish. So I got kind of curious and looked at it, and this is the best way you can get this information because a lot of times they're going to share the exact numbers that they have with their particular channel. This one's pretty interesting because it shows you how consistent you need to be with your YouTube channel in order to make money, even in Spanish. So this is the post that they shared. They're trying to sell their YouTube channel. So I scrolled in, and then here you can see the numbers that they have right now. So within the past 28 days, they've had 2.4 million views, and their payment is $2,588, which isn't bad at all. Of course, if this channel were targeted in an English-speaking country, they're definitely going to be making more than the 2,500 right here. But it goes to show you that you can still get a lot of views and still make revenue with a Spanish-speaking YouTube channel. And if you look at their screenshot that they shared, it looks like they only have 10,000 subscribers. So it's not really a lot. However, over the past 48 hours, they've gotten 334,000 views, which is quite a bit. So when you look at a channel like this, you might think that it's an overnight success. However, if you look at their upload history, each one of these little marks with a kind of little play button underneath it, that is them uploading videos. So as you can see, they were uploading videos for quite some time with basically no traffic. And then all of a sudden it took off in February 2023. So they did let me know this is in a Spanish YouTube business niche or finance niche or niche, however you want to say it. And they have definitely met the YouTube Partner Program requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So when I looked into this channel, let me go ahead and pull it up on my phone. Okay, I'm going to pull the channel up here on my YouTube app, the red and white one here on the right. Okay, so here is the channel right here. You can see that they talk about different types of topics. It looks like they talk about financed projects throughout Mexico. And then here's the channel right here. Let me go ahead and click on it. Okay, so I went ahead and clicked on the channel. And as you can see, it looks like they may have deleted a lot of their videos because as it says right here, there's 25 videos. However, I use a software called TubeBuddy, and TubeBuddy lets me know that they had 179 videos uploaded onto this channel at one time. However, only 25 of them are public. I'm not sure why that would be. Maybe it's because they're trying to sell their channel. So this one might seem a little fishy because their oldest video right here is 3 weeks ago and it already has 300,000 views. So I'm not sure what type of videos they were uploading before. However, like I said, according to TubeBuddy, they had 179 videos uploaded onto this. So it's not really an overnight success. Also here on TubeBuddy, it looks like they actually initiated this channel in June of 2021, and I'm recording this video in March of 2023. So they have been working at this video and this channel for about a year and a half now with 180 videos. Now, when you're buying videos like this, like the ones that they're using right now, you can probably expect to pay anywhere between $50 and $100 for the video to be completed. So they have put in quite a bit of money into this channel. Let me flip on over to my calculator. Okay, so here I am on my calculator, and then just to kind of do some rough math. So if TubeBuddy is correct and they have done 179 videos, and let's just say on the high end, they paid $100 per video for those to be created. That means they have invested around $18,000 into this channel. However, based on the numbers that the screenshot was, this channel is making about $2,200 per month. So finally, after a year and a half, they're going to start making some money. And if you divide that by 2,200, that means they might be able to recoup their money in about 8 months. Now that's if the traffic stays consistent on their Spanish YouTube channel. Based off of the type of videos that they're putting up, it is possible that they're going to start getting more traffic based on search. So the $2,200 could go up. Of course, it could go down as well. Let me jump back on over to those YouTube analytics. Okay, so I actually made a mistake. It's about 2,500. Okay, so if we go 2,500, okay, let me start that over. If we do 17,900 divided by 2,500, it looks like they could probably recoup that money in about 7 months. Let me jump back on over to the analytics. Okay, so here I am back again. So about 2,500. They don't share exactly how much it might be per day, but this is quite a bit of good traffic, especially if you are a Spanish speaker. This is not really a channel that I'm interested in buying to make money on YouTube with a Spanish channel, just because of the fact that I'm not a Spanish speaker, so it's going to be difficult for me to manage a channel like that. However, if this was an English channel, I might be interested in buying it, especially at $2,500 per month, because if you keep adding in content, relevant, good quality content, that number is just going to go up. One thing I might consider about canceling a sale of a Spanish speaking YouTube channel is because the amount of videos that's coming up on YouTube as opposed to what's published, it's a huge difference. So I would need to know what happened to those other videos and what types of videos those were, because it does seem kind of fishy that those videos were deleted, especially if they're related to that type of content. Why wouldn't you just leave them up so that way they can keep creating revenue? But I wanted to do a video on this just because it is kind of interesting. A lot of people think that you're going to make a YouTube channel and then tomorrow you're going to make a lot of money. But the majority of people who start YouTube channels actually give up before they give their channel a chance because they're expecting it tomorrow. However, this is a good example. These people have been working on this channel for about a year and a half, and they've uploaded close to 180 videos, which is quite a lot, and they just recently started seeing traffic. So if you're right here and you're not seeing any views on your YouTube channel, and then you give up, you maybe just passed up on an opportunity like this, where your channel is just about to take off. So there you have it, guys. I thought that was interesting. If you're wondering how you can make money on YouTube with a Spanish-speaking channel, that's a good case study right there. If you found a way to make money on YouTube with another type of Spanish channel, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.